Big boy arrow exhaust as well. It's a mad thing. Well, my alarm's about to go mad. Man just smiles at me. Like, yo, you need a whack, big man. These men are fucking stupid, bro. Woo! Dropped a bit hard then. Nah, I ain't fed. Oh, you never know, you never know. It ain't always a BX Reg fleet, you know. Don't let them fool you. Don't let them fool you, G. I've seen these feds blending. Blending splendid. This fucking geezer running up and down with a machete attacking everyone up here the other day. Or the other week, shall I say. I don't know if he actually attacked anyone or if he was just hitting cars and lampposts and shit, fuck knows. But I'll come up here all the time, it's blessed, man. You just get nutty people everywhere you go. Yeah, you like that? She's a head turner, I'm telling you, she's a head turner. Oof, I was gonna fucking fly out then. Woohoo! Outside with it. Keep it lit out here, man. Come on. Some think I'm a terrorist. Some call me a dickhead. Yo, some people say I make their day. You know, like that. So fuck them, we're out here. But yo, like, comment, share, subscribe, all that good shit. We're outside all day, every day, you know, like that. So it's only right. Yeah, yeah. Love to everyone supporting. Everyone who's been supporting the channel as well, because I ain't even been active like that. I've just been posting stunt rides here and there, and you know what, some of them have got mad feedback, you know, like everyone commenting, everyone liking, everyone subscribing, like, and you know what, it's all authentic. I ain't even shared the channel like that, like, you know what I'm saying. I had an Instagram, but I'd just post on there. Obviously I'll put on my story whenever I uploaded a video and that, but like, yo, it's literally all authentic, and yo, I've got nothing but love for everyone, nothing but love for everybody who's been supporting that, you know what I'm saying, and that's a real thing there, nothing but love, man. But yeah, gonna lock off now, get a quick munch, you know what I mean, that's how we do. Fucking outside with it, lad. But yo, like, comment, share, subscribe, all that good shit. Throttle Thraper, over and out. Yo, big up everyone supporting.